Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here with your 9.2 worksheet help video, mole mass conversions. Remember these guys here that randomly generate all your homework problems based on your student ID number? Remember these worksheets? Well, they're back. So the first step in doing this is to put your name in there. I'm David Gucci, and my student ID number, for the sake of this video, will be 123456. Yours, of course, will be different, okay? It's going to be 5, some 6-digit number, then 3, and then some 5-digit number, or whatever, all right? But whenever you put in your student ID, it will randomly generate some homework questions for you. Okay, now this homework is pretty straightforward. You will either be converting grams into moles, or you will be converting moles into grams. You will be doing one or the other. Now, as I talked about in my last video, it's really quite simple. If you're going from moles into mass in grams, you just take your moles and you multiply it by the molar mass of that substance. On the other hand, if you're starting with mass and converting into moles, you divide by the molar mass. So that's all you're going to be doing here. You're going to be taking your starting amount, for example, 156.16 grams of zinc, and you're going to be converting it into moles. When you're going from grams to mole, you divide by molar mass. Okay, so let me do this. Let me do this right here. I Control, Delete. All right, so, geez, pull that up, pull that up. 156.16 grams of zinc. All right, so 156.16 grams of zinc. And I got to convert that into moles of zinc. Okay, now, when you're going from grams into moles, you're just going to divide by the molar mass. All right, so I'm just going to divide by the molar mass here, the molar mass of zinc, which I can conveniently find on the periodic table. Zinc, 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 zinc. The molar mass of zinc is 65.38 grams per mole. 65.38 grams per mole. Now, guys, again, this is a little shortcut here. You're dividing the mass by the molar mass, and that gets you the moles. This is the exact same thing as doing your dimensional analysis, all right? Doing dimensional analysis and being like, okay, well, I got to get rid of grams on the bottom and moles on top, all right? And zinc is 65.38 grams for every 1 mole. It ends up the same. You are going to be taking the grams and dividing it by the molar mass. So if you want to do it the dimensional analysis way, or if you just want to do straight up division, 65.38 grams per mole, you'll get the right answer. So 156.16 divided by 65.38. Let's see here. 156.16 divided by 65.38. And what do I get? I get 2.388 or 2.39. All right. So here we go. 2.39 moles. And I'm correct. Very good. All right. Yay me. Now look, you guys, you need to make sure you're not over rounding these answers. Okay. 2.39 is 3 significant figures. If you gave me 2.4, it might work. If you rounded to 2, it definitely does not work. So I'd recommend giving me 3 significant figures, and that'll be certain then that the answer you got is correct. By the way, I also need to see work on this homework. So if you want to do it on a separate sheet of paper like this, all right, and then just attach a picture, that's cool. All right, that's cool. The other way you could do it is to, on this worksheet, just make this column over here, just call this the work column. All right, and then just say, okay, this is 156.16 grams divided by 65 point, what was that molar mass again? What was that again? 65.38. 65.38 grams per mole. Personally, I'm a fan of typing this up because then, hey, you know what I can do? I can just copy this and I can just paste it into Google. I got to delete out those units and stuff. But guess what? Bam. Guess me the answer. Guess me the answer. Okay? So somewhere you have to show me some work to make this happen. Okay? You can't just type in the answer. I need to see your work. Okay? Let's try another one. Let's say you're going from 78.88 moles of aluminum and you want to figure out what mass that is. All right? That's number 5. Okay? Cool. So let's say, again, you're starting with 78.88, and this could be a different number for you because you entered in a different ID number. All right, so moles of aluminum, and you're trying to convert into grams of aluminum. Okay, now remember, when you're going from moles into grams, you multiply by the molar mass, right? You multiply or multiply. But again, going from moles into grams, you multiply by molar mass. So we're going to multiply 78.88 moles of aluminum times its molar mass. So again, I go to the periodic table. I look up aluminum. Aluminum's molar mass is 26.98. So I'm going to multiply by 26.98 grams per mole. So 78.88. See here, let me do some calculations. So 78.88 times 26.98. And what do we get? We get 2128. So 2128. We get 2128 grams. Let's see here. Did that work? Did I write that down? Did I write that down correctly? 2128. Now let's see here. Did I do something incorrect here? Oh, I put it in the wrong one. It should be down here. 2128. There we go. All right, I'm smart. I do this. Now remember, you got to show me some kind of work here. So if you want to put your work in right here, 78.88 moles times 26.98 grams per mole, you can just do that. And one of the benefits of doing that is you can copy and paste it into a Google search bar and it'll do the math for you. Okay? So the first few problems here, you're going from moles, you're going from grams into moles. The next few problems, you're going from moles into grams. These last ones go back and forth a little bit. So let's see here. Let me do number 18. You pour 30.6 grams of barium nitrate into a beaker. How many moles is that? So 30.6. Let's see here. What number was this? This was number 11. So you got 30.6 grams of barium nitrate. Okay? And we want to know, well, how many moles is that? Okay? You're going from grams into moles. Now, as I've been saying before, when you go from grams into moles, you divide by the molar mass. You divide by the molar mass. So 30.6, I'm going to divide it by the molar mass, which is what? What is the molar mass of barium nitrate? Now here's the trick, guys, and this was something that a lot of people had trouble with on the previous homework. You can't figure out the molar mass from a name. You got to get me the formula, okay? Barium nitrate. Barium is 2 plus. Nitrate is a polyatomic ion, NO3, 1 minus. Crisscross applesauce. Barium nitrate is BaNO3, 2. So the molar mass is of barium, which is 137.33. plus 2 nitrogen, so 2 times 14.01, plus 2 times 3 is 6 oxygens. Now, I wish I had typed this up before, because now I got to retype the whole thing right now. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So the molar mass of barium nitrate is 137.33 plus 2 times 14.01. That's the nitrogen. Plus 6 times 16. Excuse me. 0.00. Molar mass of barium nitrate is 261.35. 261.35. 261.35. So I'm taking 30.6 and dividing it by 261.35. Okay, so let's see here. 30.6 divided by 263.35. I get, what do I get? 0.117 moles. All right? 0.117 moles. Let's see if that's right. Let's see if that's right. Oh boy, fingers crossed, fingers. 0.117 moles. I did it. I did it. I did it, guys. No, we did it. Okay, we did it. So this is what you're doing, guys. You're just going through and you're doing this, okay? You are converting grams into moles by dividing by the substance's molar mass, or you are going from moles into grams by multiplying by that substance's molar mass. I hope this helped. If it did not, well, good luck, guys. Send me an email or message me on your Google Classroom if you have any questions. Good luck.